Hi friends, welcome back to another paper embroidery project from Flourishing Fibers. I'm Sarah and today we are working on the Kaleidoscope pattern. This design is available as a single project or as part of the new Hex Collection, which features 3 different geometric designs formatted onto hexagonal paper panels. So if you love crisp geometric lines, I highly recommend checking out the full collection. Now you can find the links for the patterns as well as the tools you see me using today, like my 3-in-1 awl, down in the video description. Today's video is a quick guide to show you the core stitching techniques for this piece. The entire project is done using straight stitches. This makes it go by super quickly, but as you'll soon see, the final result is just stunning. The trick to getting a beautiful finish on this design is consistency. You want to stitch each little diamond burst in the exact same order so they all match perfectly. You can choose any order that makes sense to you. For me, I started on the horizontal lines, working my way up and side to side. Then I went back to the center horizontal lines and worked my way down and side to side. Because of this path, the very last stitches I lay down on top of everything are the center vertical lines. When you reach the end of your thread, you have 2 options. You can either use a small piece of masking tape to secure the tail to the back of your paper, or you can tie it off onto the back of your surrounding stitches. Masking tape keeps the back of your piece a bit flatter with less bulk, but both methods work perfectly for this project. As I stitch away on this section, I want to mention a few other videos that will be super helpful if you are just starting out with Flourishing Fibers patterns. If you need to learn how to transfer digital patterns to your paper, or if you want to know exactly what kind of paper I recommend, I have full step-by-step tutorials for those. I have linked all of those resources in the description below. Now that I've completed the embroidery, I'm going to move on to the panel assembly using a panel that I prepared off camera. If you watched any of my previous tutorials, you know how much I love using QB's foam tape, and this project is no exception. I make sure to place a piece of foam tape wherever I can to help support the backer and to prevent the paper from sagging over time. Next, I just align the front panel to the backer and press down firmly so the two pieces stick together. Your final touch is to add a cord, and now this project is ready to display. If you enjoyed watching this process, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. Your support really is what helps this channel grow. Until next time, keep on stitching. Bye.